The Assam Education Department on Tuesday informed that the State Board and Higher Secondary final exams were likely to be conducted during the first half of August this year. State Education Minister Ranoj Pegu chaired a key meeting with representatives of SEBA, AHSEC, Assam Sahitya Sabha, Bodo Sahitya Sabha, students' unions such as AASU, ABSU, and 3 deputy commissioners from different districts today and took some preliminary decisions. Addressing media persons later, Pegu said that given the prevailing pandemic situation, the meeting arrived at a consensus that the exams would be held in a condensed manner, adhering to all COVID-19 protocols, and that the subjects or marks would be curtailed as well.
We have arrived at a conclusion, that is what decision we have already taken, that examination, higher secondary examination and class 10 examination of the state, it will be held, it should be held with a reduced number of subjects, or if necessary with reduced total marks. And that is one conclusion. Number 2 conclusion is that we are observing the trend of COVID positivity and total case, it is coming down. And if the trend continues, we may get a very good window in July, August to hold our examination. But to complete the process, we need some preparation, and because there will be some modifications in the question paper, modifications from the routine, and considering those things, we need some time. July is not ideal for holding the examinations. Then again, we cannot go beyond September 5 to complete the process, because CBSE and some other boards have already either they have cancelled their exam or they have already held their examination. So we have the window of holding the examination complete the examination before 15th of August, then complete the declaration of results and evaluation, that is by 5th March. That is what we have decided. Those are the consensus that we have arrived. And regarding ensuring safety of the students, we will ensure that all personnel involved in the entire examination process are vaccinated. Students who are above 18 years, they will be vaccinated on preferential basis. Then all the invigilators and other staffs, including the vehicles, those which we will be using for the examination, those vehicles we will not hire them on random basis. We will predetermine what are the vehicles and who are the drivers, who are the other assistants going to be involved in the process, and all will have to be vaccinated in advance with 2 doses if possible. So the kind of a bio bubble that we will create during the examination, so no one who is not vaccinated will be allowed to take part in the holding the examination process.
AASU advisor Samuchal Bhattacharya also briefed the media regarding the government's decision to conduct the examination and mentioned that the State Board will conduct a meeting with AASU and ABSU to discuss the matter. He assured that the modality of the examination will be student-friendly.
Within 2 days, the State Board will have a discussion with all Assam Students' Union and all Bodo Students' Union regarding the modalities. And we are very clear on three points. One, the academic year of the student must not be lost. 2, the student must not face any health-related issue. 3, the academic interest of the student community must be safeguarded. So on these 3 fundamental things, the government will have to take a decision. And the health department has said within July there is no chance of holding any examination. So one thing is very clear, that the central government had directed all state government to complete the examination and declare the examination within 5th of September. That means up to July there is no chance of having examination in Assam. So the Education Minister had given a hint that within first week of August there may be examination, number 1. And on other issues, we have said that there should be a clear message to the student community, whether student will have to appear in all subjects or less subjects. That should be clarified to the student community. Basing on that, student can prepare. So Education Minister has said that he will have a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister, and within 10 days that decision will be declared by the government, so that student can prepare on the basis of that modality.
Despite the rising Twitter storm to cancel the examinations, Assam government has decided to conduct the examination because there is a category of students who would not build their career by sitting for entrance examinations. These students, however, would require their 10th and 12th mark sheets while seeking jobs, as the state considers this important. TNT Bureau.